All right. So, you had TMJ.
Yes, I had TMJ.
And
it was on this side of my face. The pain was such that it was radiating backwards this way and spreading over the side of my face such that it was difficult to eat or chew or talk or sing. When I started wearing the magnets, that was to alleviate the pain because I had previously been taking Aleve and heavy-duty chemical things to relieve the pain, but I didn't like the fact that they were staying in my body and affecting other things in my body. So when I started wearing the magnets, I put one here and one here, and they relieved the pain. That was the only thing that would relieve the pain totally, and they relieved the pain to such an extent that my TMJ just went away.
It's gone.
Out of there.
Completely resolved.
Completely resolved.
Wow.
No pain.
That's fantastic.
No pain. Oh, it was marvelous.
Now, you used it on your knee. You had a condition on your knee?
Yes. As a matter of fact, I have arthritis in my left knee as a result of a car accident I was in about 22 years ago.
Wow.
And about 2 months ago, I twisted my knee in such a way that I sprained something and aggravated the arthritis, which caused fluid to build up on my knee, and I think it did unspeakable things to my patella as well. It didn't feel as though it was in the right position because it wasn't moving properly.
Yeah.
And I started wearing the magnet on the top of my knee to relieve the pressure and also the fluid that had built up on my knee because I couldn't keep my knee bent for more than 20 minutes without having to reposition my leg and straighten it out to relieve the pressure and also the pain. I started wearing the magnets on the side of my knee after I got the fluid drained off my knee by placing the magnets above my knee. And the magnets helped relieve the pain, the soreness, and the stiffness. And I wore the magnets continually for a period of not quite 2 months. I would say for about 5 months. I wore them continuously, night and day. No matter what I was wearing, I would tuck them into that so that one magnet, and I wore the green side against my knee because it was the left side, which is the negative side, as opposed to the right side, which is positive. By wearing them next to my knee for that 5-week period, it relieved the symptoms.
Oh, so it was 5 weeks. It wasn't 5 months.
No, it was 5 weeks.
I see.
5 weeks.
And it relieved the symptoms?
It relieved the symptoms completely.
Yeah. Oh,
I have no
fantastic.
pain. I have no stiffness. On a rainy day like this, I would have a little bit of stiffness and have problems going up and down steps. Don't have that anymore.
Yeah.
It's a wonderful thing.
This is after 20 years, did you say? A
22.
22-year accident, it would come on and come back.
Yes, because when you have trauma to a joint, that kind of sets the stage for arthritis to set in later.
Oh, I see.
So the arthritis developed gradually. The accident was 22 years ago. The arthritis set in, give or take, I'd say about 14, 15 years ago. But when I twisted my knee, that completely aggravated the arthritis, along with the swelling and the tenderness that was there. So the magnets took care of all of that.
Yeah.
They're wonderful things. Now I'm a very happy camper. Yes.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
What's that?
I said magnets work. They're wonderful. They're absolutely wonderful. I would not be without mine.
Yeah. Oh.
And I'd fight to the death if anybody took them.